Out in rural Boone County, Iowa, there lived a 25-year-old named Mason Reed. Mason had fire in his soul. Every night at the local diner, he'd sketch plans on napkins, 500 acres of prime corn and soybeans, a fleet of new John Deere tractors, the biggest farm operation between Des Moines and Ames. One day, he'd tell anyone who'd listen, Reed Farms is going to be the name on every grain elevator from here to Chicago. People loved Mason's vision. The problem? He never left the booth. While neighboring farmers were up before dawn, Mason was still in bed. While they were planting in April, Mason was on TikTok saying, "I'll start tomorrow. The ground's still cold anyway." By the time he finally rolled out to his 40-acre plot, the perfect planting window was gone. Weeds owned the place. One fall evening, his Uncle Ray, a weathered, no-nonsense farmer who'd built a 2,000-acre empire from nothing, stopped by. He stared at Mason's jungle of thistles and pigweeds swallowing the rich, black Iowa soil. "Mason," he said, pulling 2 small packets from his Carhartt pocket, "these aren't regular seeds. They're special. This one," he held up a single golden kernel, "is the ambition seed. Plant it, water it, fight for it every single day, and it'll grow into something that feeds your family for generations. This one," he showed a tiny black seed, "is the laziness seed. You don't even have to plant it. It grows the second you say tomorrow. It spreads faster than kochia and kills everything good in its path. Both seeds are already in your field, son. The only question is which one you're going to feed." Mason laughed it off. "Uncle Ray, chill. I'm planting the gold one first thing tomorrow." You know what happened next? Tomorrow turned into next week turned into next season. One morning, Mason finally walked out to check his land. His heart stopped. The laziness seed had exploded, 6-foot weeds everywhere. In one tiny corner, the weak ambition seed was barely hanging on, choked and yellow. Uncle Ray showed up again. He didn't yell. He just said, "That jungle out there? That's your future if you keep feeding laziness. Dreams don't die because they're too big. They die from neglect." That night, Mason couldn't sleep. For the first time, he felt the weight of all his tomorrows. At 4:30 the next morning, before the roosters, he was in the field with a machete and a Roundup sprayer. Hands bleeding, back screaming, he attacked the weeds. Every day after, he was out there, planting, cultivating, irrigating, learning crop prices at 2 a.m. 3 years later, those same 40 acres produced the highest corn yield in Boone County. 5 years after that, Reed Farms hit 800 acres and a brand new grain system with Mason's name on it. Here's the advice Uncle Ray left him with, and the same one I'm giving you right now. Kill the tomorrow word today. Replace it with right now. Imperfect action beats perfect procrastination. Do the hardest thing on your list first before you touch your phone. Eat the frog. Feed the ambition seed. Protect your mornings like $1 million crop. The first hour of your day decides which seed wins. Track one tiny daily action, journal it, mark an X on the calendar. Momentum is fertilizer. You've got the same 2 seeds Mason had. One needs daily sweat to grow. the other grows while you scroll. Choose which one you're watering today. Drop "kill tomorrow" in the comments if you're ready to pull some weeds. Hit subscribe. I drop a new life-changing story every week. Now get outside and feed your ambition before the sun comes up.